Well, I thought I was finished with Christmas projects for the year. But Steve Good came out with this Nutcracker pattern. My wife's been wanting one for quite a while. So I downloaded, showed it to her, and she was eager for me to get it cut out. So I've got it stacked. It's all a 1/4 inch. There's very few internal cuts, so this should cut pretty quickly. I'll get it done in a day and pass on to her. And she's going to paint it. So hopefully she'll get that painting done for Christmas and I can get this video up. Regardless, I'll have this started and may see it this year, may not. But here we go. I'm going to drill some holes, get it over the saw, and get to cutting on it. So there's the finished one. She got both pieces. I got them both cut out, but she hasn't finished the other one. She got this one done pretty quickly, and I think she did a very good job on it. So I went ahead and I'm going to finish up this video with this one. I think she's going to do about the same thing. She's going to switch the red and the green around, I think, on the next one. But it's going to be pretty much the same thing. So yeah, she's doing pretty well with the painting. I really like the way it looks. It's a nice little nutcracker. Steve Good did a good job on this pattern. And one that's hard to cut, and my wife did an excellent job painting it. So that's going to be it for this video. Probably the last Christmas I'm going to put up. I may do a little slideshow of some of my projects, kind of a little Christmas card type of thing, if I can get that done. But this is hopefully, probably, my last Christmas project for this year. So we're a week from Christmas right now. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you liked that. If you did, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to do some more optical art stuff next, I believe. And I may run through a series of those while I'm thinking of the next new thing. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.